Namaste everyone. Welcome to your evening breathwork practice with me, Surbhi. This short session will help you release the stress of the day, slow down your mind, and prepare for deep rest. So sit comfortably on your mat, cross your legs, and gently close your eyes. Let's begin by taking 3 deep breaths together. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Let everything go. Again, inhale calmness and exhale all the heaviness of the day. One last time. Inhale peace and exhale with a soft sigh. Now let's move into Nadi Shodhana. Bring your left hand in Chin Mudra on your knee. With your right hand, make Vishnu Mudra. Use your thumb to close your right nostril and inhale gently through your left nostril. Now you will close your left nostril with your ring finger and exhale slowly through the right. Inhale through the right side, close it and exhale through the left. Continue this flow, slow, steady and mindful. With every round, feel your breath balancing your mind. With every breath, I create harmony within myself. Complete 4 to 5 rounds, ending on an exhale through the left nostril. Then relax both hands on your knees and come sit in Vajrasana if you are comfortable. Otherwise, you can sit in cross-legged Sukhasana. Now extend your arms to your sides, palms facing upward. Take a deep inhale for a count of 6. Hold your breath for 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now exhale for a count of 8. Slowly bringing your arms down, palms facing the earth. Hold for 2, feeling the stillness. Now repeat. This is bird pranayam, where we are combining breath and movement. Inhale, arms open, wide, heart opens. Hold the breath, feel the calm. Exhale, slowly lower the arms, releasing the day's fatigue. Just imagine you are a bird gliding freely in the evening sky, light, effortless, unhurried. Let your breath move like gentle wings. I release all tension and allow peace to flow through me. Complete 5 to 6 rounds. And then you can relax your hands on your knees. Now you can relax and sit in easy pose, and we will move into Bhramari Pranayama, the humming bee breath. So you will close your eyes, take a deep inhale through your nose and exhale slowly while creating a humming sound like a gentle bee. Feel the vibration in your face, your throat and your chest. Let this sound melt away any restlessness or noise from the day. We'll do this 3 times, just natural and easy. Inhale through the nose and exhale with a long soothing hum. Now let's go a little deeper. Bring your hands into Shanmukhi Mudra. Place your thumbs lightly on your ears, index finger lightly on the eyes, middle finger near the nose, ring fingers and little finger just above and below your lips. Keep the touch very gentle. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, make that same humming sound. Feel it echo inside your head like a soft vibration of peace. Let the sound guide you inward. You can repeat this for 4 rounds, keeping your face relaxed and eyes closed. My mind is quiet, my thoughts are kind, and I am surrounded by calm energy. After your last round, slowly release the mudra. Rest your palms back on your knees. Now gently open your lips. Keep your upper and lower teeth slightly apart and press the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth behind your upper teeth. Inhale through the gaps in your teeth, creating a soft hissing or sound, and feel the cool air entering your mouth. And then you will close your mouth and exhale slowly and steadily through your nostrils. You can repeat this process 4 to 5 times. I am cool, calm, and in complete harmony with my body. This is Sheetkari Pranayama. Now bring your hands into Dhyan Mudra. So place your right hand over your left hand, both palms facing up. Let the tips of your thumbs touch gently. Keep your hands relaxed on your lap, shoulders soft and eyes closed. This mudra helps your mind become calm and focused. Just breathe and be here for a few moments. Feel your breath flowing easily and peacefully. Let go of all the effort and sit quietly in your stillness. I am grateful for this moment. I trust the rhythm of my body and my life. I am safe. I am calm. I am home within myself. You can slowly release the mudra and come into child's pose. Let your forehead rest on the mat or a cushion. Breathe deeply into your lower belly and feel the back of your body expanding. Stay here for a few breaths. When you are ready, slowly roll up to a seated position. Bring your palms together at your heart center. Take one last deep inhale and exhale completely. Bow your head slightly in gratitude for showing up, for slowing down, and for choosing peace today. Thank you for joining me in this evening breath work. Namaste, Hari Om.